Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This was really dangerous move.
It'll probably go by ground. Shipping then. That'll take a little longer from my location. But
No. Essentially, okay?
This van did unsafe overtake and acted like there was no cyclist next to him.
VG 2088! Do better! Bad driver! Bad driver! Come on, faster! Faster! Go! Go ahead! Go!
Idiot.
The channel I watch has they've already released a metal print. Oh, jeez. Oh, my car almost ran into the truck. Good God.
Check out what unsafe overtake may result in. What do you think, guys? What's the reason why this guy crashed?
What the heck was that?
You shitting me, dude? You want to pull into the apartments right here so we're not blocking the street?
Realize when you're done.
what the?
Oh my god.
Realize
My
when
fault.
you're done.
Bus driver tried to turn from wrong lane and ends up hitting another vehicle. check out what this pickup driver did. Slippery road caused this driver to lose control.
Oh no, oh no, let's go help him. Let's go help him.
Oh yeah, I'm going to. Bridge.
Call 911.
Yep, do it.
See if he's okay. Girl, stay in the car. Oh my gosh, that happened so fast.
In a half mile, take exit 24, Lower Azusa Road, Los Angeles Street, and then turn left in 0.3 miles.
Real humanitarian to the civilian.
It's important to keep a safe distance, because you never know when traffic in front of you can make sudden stop. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.